Just doing a video about this unit. I've got it in reverse at the moment. It still says forward, neutral, and forward, back to neutral. Nothing. It won't start obviously in forward gear. It is in neutral. Unfortunately, there are certain things on the display. It doesn't move. This is the engine speed at minimum. I'll turn it to medium, full, or at maximum. Nothing display moves. Turn the turtle switch from turtle to the next speed up. Rabbit, nothing moves. I'll turn the vibration. That doesn't move either. To automatic now. Stuck on manual. The parking brake switch doesn't change. The low coolant light is on. The coolant level is perfectly fine. It's right in the middle. Unit obviously doesn't start. Now I'll go to the menu and look at status info. Oh, sorry, the working hours. All 0. The temperature is 888 degrees. Clearly not that. I go to settings, service, status info is blank. Service troubles. I don't know what that means, but I'm sure it doesn't look too happy. Basically, the cable is fine on the speed control. It moves the transmission, or where the gear is, the pump. That's perfectly fine. The display, nothing changes on the display other than what I just pressed the button, but none of these at the top changes. No warning symbol. I'll change the speed, nothing. I'll try to start it like you do. Nothing, not even a click of the relay. No clicking starter, nothing at all. No warning to say that your speed is in the wrong position, which is usually the case. Back to minimum speed, max, minimum, nothing changes. There is something wrong, I believe, with the computer. I'm not too sure. I'll need to seek advice. Thank you.